have a camera set up right here on my truck.
Perfect. Oh, wonderful. I thought we sent you a thing for Sophie.
Can I pop up on the back of
You can do whatever you want to do. That's a big truck.
Oh,
Here, right over here, right in the center.
Oh, right here, right? Oh, I see what you got. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Good.
She's not good.
And then we'll do this one. Hey!
Rembrandt.
Perfect.
Yes.
I think we did it.
All right.
Hey,
Thank you. What's your
Well
first
done.
name?
my first name is Rennick.
Rennick. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice to
Thank
meet you.
Nice
Very
meeting
much a
you.
pleasure.
Say hi. Oh,
Pretty
wait,
good
she's
shape for
taking a
80.
picture.
Pretty good shape for 80.
You got it? Okay.
Very good shape for it. So we. Oh my God! All right, I have to admit it, even though I don't want to. I had no idea what my video was going to be today, but now we know. So I did a video before about making sure you have the right address. Well, we made that mistake again. So this morning, or last night, we did a sign for a woman who's a doctor. And we did a congratulations graduate sign for her and her daughter. Hold on. And she probably closed this window. And so she wanted to do something special for her mom. And so she called us. She was super excited, super awesome, right? You know, like, it's gonna be a really special day. And so anyway, something happened where I didn't get the right address. And when we went to this house, it doesn't have any mailboxes. It's a retirement community. I didn't know that. And the numbers are on the side of the house. So we drive in there and we're like, we can't find this house. We don't even know where to look. There was nothing. We had to put on our SEAL Team 6 hats, and we finally got it figured out. So we installed the sign, Happy B-Day, Mar. I believe that the woman who's celebrating, her name is Martha, or I can't remember what it is. But Jennifer wakes up this morning to this gentleman saying, hey, listen, you guys did a sign for us last night, but you did it at the wrong house. So we're like, no, not again. You know, Jennifer, this is where you got to take I'm not even going to try to explain it, but Jennifer had a tiny flower pot that she had gotten the day before at like Dollar General, or at a place where she goes and she gets quick stuff. And these little tiny, flower pots that we buy for $2, if we, God forbid, make a mistake like this, we write a note and we say, something to the effect where we're sorry, but we leave a little gesture, you know what I mean, saying how sorry we are. So I pull up to this house and I'm like, oh, this is going to be terrible. This guy comes out and he's like, you would not believe what happened this morning. My neighbor texts me your sign on her yard. And then he goes into this story about we're getting texts from people. We had another old guy drive by. I'm obviously a Giants fan. He pulls up in front of me and he's like, hey, Giants fan, huh? Yeah, I'm like, it's been a rebuilding year. He goes, you don't have to tell me. I'm a Detroit Lions fan. I couldn't even say anything to bust his chops. So we get into talking, and then the next thing you know, I'm in the guy's house. He's showing me this new park that they put into this retirement community. They were so gracious and so nice. And you know what I realized I think it is that, like, we don't get to talk to a lot of people. So, we have to do this stuff at night because we don't want to obviously catch the COVID. But I sat there out in the yard and talked to him for 20 minutes. And he could care less whether or not I did it at the wrong house. He just wanted to know if we were going to fix it and when. And as soon as I got up this morning, I fixed it. And his wife was phenomenal. Maybe you could tell from the video. Explain to me, please. How does this happen? Now, I know what you're thinking, and I agree. But it's happening to me, right? And when it's happening to you, and you can't describe it, you're just riddled and filled with joy, even though it was completely negative. We made a mistake. We were going to own it. You know, I might even send this woman a refund, even though she didn't ask for it. Why? Because nobody else is doing it. Nobody else is caring. That's not true. I don't know if they are. Maybe they are. Let's hope that they are. But you got to be different, right? You got to be different. I got 2 other franchises coming into my town. And I'm telling you right now, while I pull up to the stoplight, hear me out. None of them are going to take any business from me. You want to know why? Because it matters to me. Like I'm sure it matters to you. And I'm not saying it won't matter to them. And I'm always up for competition. You know that. But listen, I'm graced today with an opportunity to be helping people in a way that I quite honestly never thought possible. And if you want to get into this business, you better be prepared to give a little. Because the people who buy these signs are happy and joyous and want to share that. Just more wonderful things, and I'm worrying about what it is that we're doing. And I'm baffled. I'm baffled by the grace. All right, listen. Stop smiling. Stop thinking you're all that and all whatnot. Just kick ass today. Just do it all day long. Kick ass. All right, everybody. Have a good day.